Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now, in order to download the reel that you had posted, go to a reel, tap on three vertical dots in the bottom right corner, go to Manage option and click on Download. Your reel will be saved in your gallery. Now, in case of others' reel, you can only download the reel if they have public account. Now go to the reel that you wanna download, tap on Share button and copy its link. Now open up a web browser and search for Finsta. Tap on Reels option and paste the link. Click on the search button and now you can download the reel. Now let's check our gallery, and here you can see that the reel has been downloaded, and that is how you can download Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.